Hello guys, it's Carmen. And I kind of had a bit of a cough attack. And I had to go outside, so Grandma's doorknob is broken a little bit. It's not a doorknob, it's like a push thing. But I still had a cough attack. And chocolate is right here. My grandma got it for me when I was not even 1 for Christmas. And she tried to give me brown hair, but she accidentally gave it black hair, but still pretty. And it came with like these shoes too. It came with shoes. Shoes. Came with shoes. Wait. Wrong angle. You know, shoes, they're kind of plastic or something. And here's Haley's wall, full with stickers. And this one, I gave to her. I gave this one to her. That's me on Thanksgiving. This is me on Thanksgiving. Me with Gracie one time. And then this is the family without me because I didn't want to get in the picture. Sebastian. Here's me, not wanting to get in the picture, but they grabbed me, so I had to get in the picture, but it's horrible. And then I didn't want to be in that picture either. It was on Easter. Here's a photo book.
That I needed to ask you about, Carmen. For someone who don't like pictures,
Bye.
you certainly like making a lot of videos.
Bye. Guys, subscribe to my channel too. And Haley is Crazy's channel with no spaces. And subscribe to app now. And subscribe to Infinite's channel too, because that's my favorite YouTuber, and Infinite is Haley's favorite YouTuber. And bye!